Hello everybody, this is Sonya. I'm in Australia and I am on here now today to show you what I have been making, and I'm hoping I've got enough, I don't know, for Nat's 100 embellishment challenge thing she's doing. Like you have had to make 100 things using your pieces from packaging and stuff like that. Okay, so I've got a bit of extra stuff in there that wasn't part of the thing. So I've showed you a lot of these, and then I've come to the conclusion I'm getting really tired, but I will decorate a few more bits and pieces as I go. But I'm going to show you what I've been doing in the last 2 days, because I've been trying really hard to get it finished anyway. So if you've been watching me, you've seen that I have done these here so far. Okay, so these are the ones that I have done. These are a couple that I have not put up yet, because hang on a second, and they're done with the packaging. A lot of these things I used my pill boxes and my biscuit boxes. The pill boxes I used because they had the white on the back of them. See, look at that, that's pretty cool, and I used a lot of them. So that's those ones, and there, and there's another one that's with the cardboard thing. There's another piece that's off the box. I left the packed on the thing on the back so you could see that, because I've used a lot of tissue box ones as well. I've used a lot of them off my tissue boxes, because we use a few of those, but mostly for wiping my hands after I've washed them, and I'm doing something. Now, so there's another one. Let me see how many of these big ones I've got. There's another one. Right. Hope this is in the shot, these lot. Okay. So I've got, I'll just move these over a minute, because I can show you a little quickly while I'm going through. Hang on, I've got this one, I suppose it could be a tack. There's that one there and that one there. This one here. These ones I haven't decorated, but I don't think that minds if we don't do that, because, you know, it's too, there's a lot of work. Okay. So this one here I've made like a little band thing, so it can probably be for something you could put on your, maybe it could be a little bit closer, I don't know. Oops, I always go the wrong way, don't I? Okay, so now I need to come back here. So this is, stay back here, so I need to be, I'm in the middle of this thing, I don't know, here is good, right, I'll stay back here. Now, so this is the first. Hubby must have wanted to tell me something, but he'll have to wait. I had to start as soon as I come in here, because if I'd been fiddling around I would have been too tired to do this thing, because I've been up since 5:30 this morning. I don't know, but anyway, that's good. So that one there's nice, I really like that. Then I have these three here that are with serviettes on them. And I've actually put the lines on the back. You can still see the pill thing under the back of it, but I don't think I'm going to worry too much about that. You know, people can know that that's what's under there. I don't know what I'll do with them, whether I'll put them in journals. I probably will put them into journals that I make. So that's 4, and then there's another one of them little band things. Like, you can use that as a tuck thing, or put it across your paper, or do something, you know, stick it on the side with a paper. I don't know, you know, I just sort of made some long ones because I did some sewing. That one, there's another long tag thing with a button on it. So we're going to put them in piles of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 7, 8, 9. I need to put a top on that and finish that. Some of them are not finished, okay? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Then I did this one here. Okay, I love this. Right, now I did this out of a piece of card. What was it? Something that was already bent. Now what was that? I did that out of something that was already bent over. I think it might have been the corner of the box or something. And I thought, oh, okay, I need to do that. And I had to actually cut that and then staple that down because it could be one of them little book things. So you can put a little notepad or something in there. And I lined it with this nice thing. So that's about 19 then, is it? Okay, I'm going to lose this count here in a minute. Yes, okay. Righto, there's 19 there. And then we have... there's 19 of those. I'm not saying I've done 100 because I don't think I have. And then I've got these. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. More buttons. 26. 26. Just have that money for that. And I hope I've got them all here. So that's 26 now. Okay, there's another band. That's 27. Then I have these ones that I did. They're paper clips. 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. And then I did these these ones here that I put on. And you can use them as a tuck in your books. 30. This one here's a hanging one. 31. Where am I going? Okay, 31. I don't know if I'm counting this right anyway. 31. Where's another one here? These I liked. I did these and backed them on the thing for me. And stamped on them. Me peel things. 33. 34. 34. 35. Haven't put nothing on this yet. 36. This one here still got nothing on it. 37. It's just a flower. 37. Okay. And then I did these little ones that I really, really like. I used my cutout thing because I can't cut out around a circle for the life of me. So I used my punch. Oh, did I use the punch for this or did I cut them out? I think I cut that bit out by hand and this bit out I used on the out of my yeah, it might have been the punch thing. Anyway, I don't know how many I'm up to now. Anyhow, so here's more. There's another. So we'd say we've got about 40. So these ones here I've made little, put little pins on, a few little beads I've put around them, and I cut out some little pictures from the these are out of a stamp book, and I haven't put many things on them yet, and these are out of the encyclopedia, the dictionary, sorry. These pictures are the animal ones, they're out of the dictionary. I don't know how many I've got. I don't think I need to see people sit there and count them, but if you have counted them while I'm, you know, sit there with me while I count, then I won't. I should have to, so I know how many I've got, I suppose. So there's all those. Then I've got these ones here that I did before, that I showed you. They're out of the dictionary with the kids' pictures in it. So I really love them, so they're good. And then over here I have these ones. Now this is another one with the flowers on it. I wasn't really impressed with that, so it might not get into the count. This one hasn't been finished yet. I suppose I can put them in there even if they're not finished, eh? Okay, so these here are these ones are just squares that I made using the packet that the cling wrap comes in, see? So there's another 2, 5, 6, and then I have these ones here that are stickers. This was a sticker and I put it on the card. Isn't that cool? Yeah, so I found these old packet of stickers, and they're old, yes, and I can use those because I can use them as a something or other. I can put a brad on that. I do have some really nice brads here somewhere. I just seen them a while ago. What to do with them? They disappeared on me. Everything does that, doesn't it? You see it and then you go, oh no, where did it go now? But I did have some really nice ones sitting in here when I first come in here a while ago. Anyway, I'm not going to bore you with that because I just, you know, most of us can do our these things. This is only, like I said, a sticker, and then I put a hole in that bit, and that one had soulmate written on it. I don't know what I will put on them. I think I could find a bigger word. I had some words, but they weren't big enough. That's why I didn't do anything with them. But that's a good idea, isn't it? I can put a couple of words on these because I've got bigger words here. Sometimes you have got words and they're too big for what you're working on, and sometimes you haven't got. Let me see. I've got my word box. I do like my word box. I don't know if any of these are going to show up very good. Chatterbox. Oh, that's a good. That's a good word. Simplify. But are these going to be big enough on that? You know, that's the thing. You want to make sure that it's going to look like. Don't want it to look like it's disappearing into the thing. So let's see what other words I can find to put on there. So I don't think these are big enough. These ones are Tim Holtz ones. I don't think they're going to make it on there. I really don't. Hang on, let me see what these are. What have I got here? How will they fly? Okay, righto. No, that's not quite right. This one here says cushions. No, that's not right. Home decor. Well, see, that's a tag in itself there, that thing, so we won't worry about that. We'll be able to. Oh, you've also got... Oh, caterpillar. I love that word. Oh, do love the word caterpillar. I'm going to put that on there, eh? I'm going to put caterpillar on there. Now, let me see. Mouthful of water. I feel a bit... I don't know if anybody else suffers bad when you don't get your right... When you wake up too early, but it does tend to mess with your mind and your body, doesn't it, if you get out of bed when you're not used to it. Well, the cat was up on the cupboard trying to open the drawer. That's what he was doing this morning because he believes we should be out of bed if he is. He has that problem. He's a good bloke. He's a good bloke. But, I don't know. And then I said, because he was trying to climb the wall. Oh, well, he was sort of making out he was trying to climb the wall anyway, little rotter. And we love him, but, you know, so... I don't know whether I should just do some little tiny... I might just go steady around the corner of this. Really steady. Go around steady, steady, steady. And hopefully when I pick up this bottle of glue here, not the one I always use, but the other one, because I have been talking about this for days, you know, and probably Jeremy's getting sick of hearing it, that I'm going to buy some glue because I haven't got it yet. I went and bought... Yesterday we had to go for our last trip up to town. We went up as old people. Old disabled people we went up as, because in Australia we can do that at 7 o'clock in the morning. Okay, so we're up at really dawn, and off we went, and we did that. And now I forgot to say what I was saying, you know, and oh, that's right, I bought some... We only went to Woolworths, went straight to Woolworths and straight back home again. We were back here by 8:30 because, you know, I had to go on I went on my gopher and he walked alongside of me and he carried a few things and I had the rest of them on my gopher. And, because there's a backpack on it. And I bought 2 glue sticks, but I keep saying that I want to get some more of this glue. I found some more of this Helmar's quick dry adhesive, and I'm going to see if I can get some more of that. So I keep putting things in the cart and then not buying them because I want my money. I want to get the free postage if you spend $50. I just can't help myself. That's just what I want to do. And that probably could do with a bit of bling, couldn't it? There could be a bit of bling on that if we tried. What would I do? Would I put a pin in it? Would I use it for just a small decoration on the side that, you know, it turns like that? That sounds like a plan, doesn't it? Looks pretty cool. I know I have some of those, don't I, people? What have I done with them? Can't be. I have not lost anything. I just got so much, you know, as you well know. But that looks really cool, doesn't it? Putting a word on. You've got to make sure the word's the right size, because I think that's about right, don't you? Maybe I could have inked it, but if that can't happen because my ink's in the lounge room, but I don't know whether I needed to or not. I think that looks all right. So on these round ones, because then I can get some for the others, on the round ones I probably need something a bit more, something a bit different, like hope. No, that's too big. And mouse. That's a nice one. I do like mice, you know what I mean. They're cute little things, aren't they? I don't want one. Over there, they're fine. The distance, you know, They have their place in the world like everything else. Fashion, that looks okay. I might have to go with this fashion one. And then I could put something under it or around it or near it, but see that sort of goes really well with it. That's good, isn't it? I really like that one. That looks okay. See, these were like I said, they were just a sticker, and I put them on the card off my crusket box. So I do have a couple of boxes of cruskets. I probably eat probably 2 boxes a week, maybe, because I have them. If I have any curry or anything like that, I like to have a crusket or a tomato and cheese or something. So I've left a little bit of room there, and I can put a little bit of something down the bottom there, can't I? What do you reckon? No, I don't want anything dimensional because I wanted to keep it flat. Because if you could put something in there, but if you didn't, if you wanted to just send it as a, in a parcel. Fashion Genius. Oh, genuine. Yes, Sonia. Righto, now, anyway, so I hope that just, I'm enjoying making this too, Nat. I hope these are all right. I do hope I have, I think I might have about 80. I think I have about 80. I don't know, but I will count them and I'll put them in the description, and, when I put the video up, I'll count them before then, and I'll see, and I'll tell you the whole truth. And then if I need to make more so I get the whole amount, I will just make some more before I put them up on the internet, okay? So thank you everybody for watching, and I hope you have a good day, and please stay inside and look after yourselves and one another. We might have to, all of us may have to venture out eventually to stock up on a couple of things, if you need anything that's important, or we need to go to the doctor. But if we do that, please be careful, won't you, and look after yourselves. I know there's a lot of people around about here that don't really worry. I mean, the next door neighbour had people coming in and out of there all day, and I could not believe it. I was daughters coming from other towns there to visit with, and I just could not believe that they're not taking it serious. I heard from a friend of theirs, they're not taking it serious. They don't think it's a serious thing. I do, and I think a lot of other people do. I mean, I think the majority of us know that it is. So anyway, let's keep on crafting, ladies. Like you said, we hoarded this stuff for a reason, didn't we? We needed to do something. Okay? So thank you for watching. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.